The Assembly held panel discussions on various subjects such as Towards a Nuclear Weapon-Free World, the contribution of Parliament's First Standing Committee; Towards Risk-Resilient Development, taking into consideration demographic trends and natural constraints, the Second Standing Committee; and the role of parliaments in protecting the rights of children, in particular unaccompanied migrant children, and in preventing their exploitation in situations of war and conflict, Third Standing Committee. While participating in the panel discussion of the Third Standing Committee on Democracy and Human Rights on the subject, role of parliaments in protecting the rights of children, in particular unaccompanied migrant children, and in preventing their exploitation in situations of war and conflict, Mrs. Kumar stated that India has the largest child population in the world and nearly every fifth child in the world lives in India. The Parliament of India therefore accords a very high priority for their well-being and considers their issues with utmost diligence. India's approach to protection and promotion of child rights derives from the Constitution of India. India is also one of the countries that acceded to the UN Convention of the Rights of the Child. Srimati Kumar said that migration of people within the country is an everyday phenomenon, and we recognize the need for effective measures to protect and safeguard the interests and rights of families, especially the children of migrants, for reunification within the family.